Hello everybody, welcome to the MC platform. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Shrita Gupta. I am from class 10th A. And firstly, I want to thank from my school to give me this golden opportunity to explain this interesting topic. And without a time wasting, let us start our interesting topic. So our topic name is BPM industry in India. Firstly, if all students came in a first question in our minds, what is the full form of BPM and what is the BPM? The full form of BPM is Business Process Management, and Business Process Management is a discipline, operation management, in which people use various methods to discover like use of the enthusiastic of these models and improve the qualities and also automate the process of manage business. And the first point is on a BPM. Government of India is encouraging the BPM industry by providing the necessary infrastructure and logistical supports. Means governments provide a various supporting infrastructures to all the people who are qualified in all the business of this BPM. And the next is the BPM is considered the bridge between the IT and the business. IT means information technology. Here the bridge between the IT and the business. How to the bridge between the IT and the business? If you have to choose the very enthusiastic models and create into the designs, and after you have to execute their models and see theirs on monitors. If you monitor their models as the presentations, you look like as a very enthusiastic of these models and also optimizes their results, how their profits or loss, and also CD. And after the completing all the presentation, you have to the optimization your presentation. And the next and the third point is the IT BPM sector is contributing 8% to India's GDP. GDP means gross domestic product and exports means contributing the 8% to the India's and GDP and exports. Now the point is the structure of IT BPM industry means the organization of within the IT BPM industry categorized along the following parameters. Means BPM industries organization categories in the following parameter. That is the first is the sector the organization is servicing. Means IT BPM is influenced by the many of the sectors like health sector, ITS sector, education sector, and etc. of the sectors, which is influenced the IT BPM industry, means business process management, and the type as well as the range of the offering the organization provided. Means IT BPM is also influenced by the which type you have to select for the of using the BPM, and also the see the ranges of this offering the operations provided. And the third is the geographical spread of operations. Means IT BPM is also influenced by the geographical which have to establish the BPMs, multi companies, multi states, multi abroad and abroad sub countries, etc. And the fourth is the revenue and the size of operations. Means how to revenues and the size of this operation influences the IT BPM. First revenues, and you have to establish in the BPM industries. You have to see there how much profits or losses, and also see the size of operations. And the next is first is the multinational companies, means short form of MNCs. What is the multinational companies? Multinational companies is the organization of headquarters have their headquarters outside India, which has operate the multiple locations worldwide as also included India. They have also need to these external clients, means domestic as well as global. And the second is the Indian service providers, means short form is ISP. Indian service providers. Indian service providers have their organizations in India, but with operating the operations outside the international, and they have also based to these external clients, globals as well as domestic. And the third is the global in-home centers. They have global in-home centers. They have headquarters. They have only need to this company parent companies, and they have no need any to the external clients. Means multinational companies and Indian service providers have only need to the external clients, and the global in-home center is not needs any external client. So that's all. Thank you. If you like this video, please more and more share and like.